In this video, I'm going to show you Tencent WorkBuddy, an AI productivity agent that can help you complete real office tasks like reports, presentations, summaries, and work plans. WorkBuddy is not just a normal AI chatbot. It is designed as a desktop AI productivity agent. You can describe what you need in natural language, and WorkBuddy can help break down the task, process files, use tools, and generate ready-to-use outputs. It supports common productivity scenarios like content creation, report writing, document processing, data analysis, and presentation preparation. Most AI tools only answer your questions. WorkBuddy is built to help you move from asking questions to actually completing tasks. It can automatically select a suitable model for each task, and it also includes skills, expert roles, and expert teams to make complex workflows easier. Now let's test it with a real office workflow. Imagine you need to prepare a short market research report and a presentation outline for a team meeting. I'm giving WorkBuddy one complete workflow prompt. Research the latest trends in AI productivity tools for 2026. Create a short professional report with an executive summary, key findings, a comparison table of 3 tools, and a 5-slide presentation outline for a team meeting. It needs to research the topic, organize the information, create a report structure, compare tools, and prepare a slide outline. Instead of only giving a simple text answer, WorkBuddy organizes the task into a structured output that can be used for real work. Here you can see the final result. It gives me an executive summary, key findings, a comparison table, and a clear presentation outline. This is useful because you don't have to start from a blank document. You can review the result, edit it, and use it as a work-ready draft. WorkBuddy also supports integrations with tools like Google Drive, Gmail, Notion, Slack, GitHub, GitLab, Jira, and Confluence through its MCP ecosystem. So if your team works with documents, emails, project tools, or shared drives, WorkBuddy can fit into those workflows with the right permissions. For example, summarize this report and send me the key points. There is also a skills gallery with built-in skills for common productivity tasks, and WorkBuddy includes over 100 expert roles for areas like marketing, engineering, game development, and more. For complex work, expert teams can help divide the task into different parts, such as research, writing, and document organization. So that's Tencent WorkBuddy, an AI productivity agent for reports, presentations, research, and everyday office workflows. You can check it out at workbuddy.ai. Link is in the description.